Hello viewers, today I was telling about how to add action buttons to Instagram profile. For that we need to go to Instagram account and click on your profile, and here we will click on edit profile, and you need to click your normal account to personal account to professional account. I'm clicking on professional account, switch to professional account. I was click on continue. After that it will ask the suggest. I was clicking on shopping and retail. I was clicking on done, and it display. I was clicking on business and next. I was clicking on next. It will ask the mail and contact number. I will writing the mail, and it will ask the address. If you have address means just give it, and after that you need to click on done, and after the next, clicking the next, it was little bit completed. After that you need to come back. As coming back, and as going to again Instagram account and clicking on profile. Here you need to click on edit profile. Just scroll it down. Here you will see action buttons. It is non-active, you need to click on that. After that it will ask the I was clicking on order. Right, I was clicking on right button. Again click on right button. Now it was completed. Now you can see here I have a learn more. If I click means it will show my details of mine. Okay, I will show another example also. Clicking on another account, and I was searching of gamer, yeah, gamer 0.123. I was click on learn more means it will have a message. So I was sending a message on that. Like this we have. Thank you.